Hi guys, welcome to a video. Today I'm doing another unboxing video. Today it's special. I didn't expect this, to be honest. It's Doggy Kruger Power Rangers SPD. Come on, that's amazing. Look at the paintwork. I like the look of this Ranger. Here he is. Comes with a very good sword holder. So, how about we open it? Okay, here he is. Ouch, my elbow. Ow, that hurt. Ah, come on. Oh, that hurt. Ouch. Anyway, ow. This is Doggy Kruger. I'm gonna be honest. I'm a big fan of this Ranger. Well, let's do some inspections. Head rotation, arm rotation, butterfly, both can go up. Oh, this one can't. There you go. Don't know what's wrong with this one. But it looks like his armor could come off, but I'm not going to try. There we go. I can't do much with him. This bit rotates on both. Double elbow. I think, yep, double elbow. Wrist rotation. Ab crunch. This bit can rotate. This one has a click. Legs, splits. Can go up. Sitting down. Thighs rotate. Both of them. Anyway, thigh rotation on both of them. I know I did this, I just want to do it again. There's this, that's good. Double knee under the calf. Foot rotation. A swivel. Crush, ankle crush. So, I believe, yes, this can rotate, but not much. Okay, let's jump into the accessories, shall we? Put this guy here. Pain. Okay, the first one we're gonna get to is to one of the things I know that is some people's favourites. Some agree, some disagree, but I don't care. Heads. and a neck piece for Doggy Cougar here. These are not bad. These are good. Sweet. Hands. Fist. This for the left hand. This for the right hand, like a gun. No clue what goes on here. I think I do. I'm not sure if it would. Anyway, a black SBD morpher. You can't see it, can you? There you go, SBD. Good paint. One of my favourites, not my all-time, but one of my favourites, lightning effects. These are pretty fun to play with. Now for my all-time favourite. Not just for this character, for any Ranger figures, the weapon. The Shadow Saber. It's sick. Okay, I like it. I really love this figure. Now let's get him with his head on. Here he is. I kinda like it. It kinda does look like Doggy Cougar. I wouldn't say it looks like the actor because he's wearing a wolf mask. Whoever the voice is, really good. Here he is, with his saber. And his morpher. To be honest, I think this is one of the best figures they made. Obviously, alongside, stand up. Alongside, one sec. Lord Draken. And Time Force Red, I think I already said that. But Time Force Red, if he stands. Doing this video was really unexpected. Oh crap, they're all falling. I didn't expect to get Shadow Ranger today. It's only been ordered Saturday that passed, this week's. Here you go. All my Lightning Collection team so far. It's going to be building up. But he's one of my favourites. This guy. And as you all know, every Lightning Collection figures comes with lightning effects. My favourite one. Oh, yeah, well, my favourite effect so far is kind of a little bit his, because it swirls around the sword, just like in the show. I watched some of it. Got a DVD called Zapped. I'll be doing a good, cool stop motion video with this one day. Probably tomorrow, because I can't tonight. Because the time is 6 o'clock. And I won't be able to do a video. There he is, in all his glory. The Shadow Ranger. Here he is with his helmet. You see, with his helmet. Here he is without his helmet. But I kinda prefer the helmet more than the head. The head is cool, I'm not gonna lie, but it's not as cool as the Ranger helmet. The Shadow Ranger's helmet. Because the Shadow Ranger's helmet has more detail to it, but not more detail, but it looks way better. Besides, this is good. Now I can build up my SBD team. There's already a new one coming out, but this is the only one I have of other SBDs. It's the blue SBD Ranger. Yeah, there's some new Power Rangers coming out. Oh crap. I don't know them, so go find MMPR Toys and he will tell you what they are. And the one you will know is by the 3 Rangers from different teams. Dino Charge Pink, Mighty Morphin MMPR Red, Jason, and Dino Thunder Blue. Well, I guess this is the end of this video, because I got nothing else to talk about. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh crap. See ya.